Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money to your loved ones in the Philippines? In this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is to send money directly to a GCash account using Remitly. Let's get started. First, open the Remitly app or go to remitly.com in your browser and sign in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and easy. Next, select the Philippines as your destination country. This will ensure that GCash appears as a delivery option. Now, enter the amount you want to send in your currency then. Choose GCash as your delivery method. You might see other options, but we're focusing on GCash for this tutorial. Here's the important part. Enter your recipient's full name as it appears on their GCash account. And most importantly, their correct 11-digit GCash mobile number. Double check this number to avoid any delays. Choose your preferred payment method, such as your debit card, credit card, or bank account. Remitly will show you the exchange rate and any associated fees clearly before you proceed. Review all the details carefully. Make sure the recipient's name and GCash number are accurate and that you're happy with the amount and payment method. Finally, confirm your transfer. Remitly will process your transaction, and your recipient will receive the funds directly in their GCash account, usually within minutes. And that's it. Sending money to GCash using Remitly is fast, secure, and convenient. Now your family and friends in the Philippines can enjoy the benefits of GCash with ease. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe for more Julia'sTutorials tutorials. Thanks for watching.